This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple pie in ToCA Boca. First, navigate to any kitchen in your game. Look for the refrigerator and pantry to find your essential ingredients. You will need apples, flour, sugar, and butter. Also, make sure you have a mixing bowl and a baking dish ready. These are the foundational items for your delicious virtual dessert. Now, let's create the perfect pie crust. In a mixing bowl, combine your flour, butter, and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients together until they form a crumbly texture. Then, add just a small amount of water to help bind the dough. Finally, roll out your dough into a flat, circular shape, ready for your pie dish. Next up, the delicious apple filling. Take several apples and slice them into thin, even pieces. In a separate bowl, combine these apple slices with sugar and a dash of cinnamon for that classic flavor. To help thicken the filling, add about 1 spoonful of flour. Stir all these wonderful ingredients together thoroughly until well combined. It's time to assemble and bake your masterpiece. Carefully place 1 layer of your prepared dough into the baking dish. Evenly pour the sweet apple filling over this bottom crust. You can then cover it with a second dough layer or create a decorative lattice top. Finally, bake your pie until it's golden brown and bubbly, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.